Hi guys, I'm recording a video here to show how I managed to fix my Bambino Plus. So the problem I had was every time I would try to make a coffee, some coffee, basically most of the water, instead of coming from here, they will go straight here, and I didn't know what was happening. So after watching and looking for that to try to understand what the problem was, there was not really a video showing, so I'll try to show what happened. Basically, the problem was that solenoid valve here. Here's the new one. So I just replaced it because it was not closing. The way it works here basically is, so you guys can find some other videos on how to open the Bambino Plus. Let me put the flash here. Yeah. So it's pretty hard to work in here, but if you need to disconnect the solenoid valve that is there normally. I'm just testing here. That's why it's on the top. But I need to disconnect it and remove the pump and some other things to be able to work. Now I still need to assemble it. So what is happening? I'm not an expert at all. So the water comes from here, from the water tank, goes there, pass here, and here's the pump. So the water goes up here and arrives here where it's gonna warm it up. So the hot water then comes out from here, and then here, depending on what you're using, it either goes to the steam or goes straight to where the coffee is. So as you can see, it will go straight there. The thing is, when you start putting water here, if that solenoid valve is not working properly, you start putting pressure here, and then because that valve here is open, basically all the water goes there because there's no it's open, so it's easier for the water to go this way instead of going through the beans, the ground coffee there, because there's much more resistance there. The pressure is there, the high pressure is there, so the water runs away from here. So when you do the test, and this is basically the hose that goes normally into here. It's here on the top now because I disassembled, I was testing, but normally goes straight into here. So you try to make coffee, and the water basically it's here. The water gets a little bit, the coffee gets a little bit of water in here, but you cannot make anything. And in my case, the problem was that solenoid valve here that was not closing when it was supposed to. So here, of course, it's still just a temporary way to try to fix it. In my case, it was a 17 bar solenoid valve. So basically, it opens if the pressure is higher than 17 bars. To fix it, basically just need a screwdriver. Yeah, I bought that new solenoid that arrived today from eBay, and you will also need a clipper. You can Google and try to find another one, because you need to tighten it up, this one, because yeah, you need to do this clamp here by yourself. So now I'm gonna put it back together, but that was how I fixed the Bambino Plus. Here is basically the old one that was not working. I hope it helps. Cheers.